Hello everyone. The Facebook-owned WhatsApp is currently at work on implementing a number of features in their chat platform. And WhatsApp rolled out many amazing features this year, like group video and audio call, picture-in-picture mode, new storage management tool, upgradation on blue tick and last seen, fingerprint lock, and many more features. In this video, we will know more upcoming WhatsApp features for which users are excited and waiting for, and some features which no one knows about. So, subscribe to my channel and let's start. The first upcoming feature of WhatsApp will be that user can hide their last seen and profile picture from selected contact. Not like now, which is just a setting which applies for all your contacts. It will be more customizable and give you more flexibility. On the list, the second upcoming feature is that user can react to messages with emojis. This is the same feature that can be seen in Facebook, Facebook Messenger and Instagram. So I don't think I need to go in deep and explain it. The third upcoming feature is multiple device support. After this update, user can transfer their chats from one device to another and can use primary device without an internet. And then there is disappearing mode and read later option, in which users can disappear messages across all chat threads like Snapchat does. And if we talk about the read later option, if a user moves a chat to read later, then WhatsApp won't send notifications for the chat. The read later features will come with a vacation mode, which will be similar to archive chats, and will also allow the users to customize their setting, as like now, archive chat doesn't have. Last and not least, the WhatsApp logout option. It's not confirmed yet, but it can show up in the future, in which WhatsApp will soon replace the delete account button and will bring in a logout option for its users. This means user can log out from their WhatsApp account just like Facebook and Instagram. And there are many more updates coming around on WhatsApp, and same does with Facebook and Instagram. Next features will be launched on Facebook and Instagram, which will make them more interesting and user friendly. That's the story for some other video.